Let's take a look at the historical Sally Lunn Bud. That is one of the oldest Bath but most famous exports here. It is a large, delicious bun that is rich, fresh, and airy, traditionally served warm, either sweet or savory toppings. The legend goes the bun was introduced to Bath in 1680 from a refugee named Solange Luyon, and it was said that her famous fellow bakers found his French names different from the pronunciation of Sally Lunn. She was famous for her unique oversized buns at the bakery in the center of town and quickly became a staple for the crowds at the spa. The historical eatery, buns served today at the Sally Lunn's historical eating house, which is located as one of the oldest house in Bath, around 1482 when it was constructed. When the house had some renovations in 1930s, workers discovered a series of antique kitchens and ovens in the certain parts of the building. The museum today serves as a kitchen museum where you can see the original traditional ovens where the buns were first made. What makes it unique is, unlike a standard roll or cake, there is a quote-unquote secret recipe in the texture between a bun and something different. It's definitely a staple for this area and is usually sliced horizontally and toasted with common toppings including the cream, which is a lemon curd, or a cotton cream mix, a cinnamon butter, or in other savory options such as smoked salmon. There's definitely a lot of options here if you did get over and enjoy yourself here at Sally's. That's really going to do it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to this location, getting out there, playing some golf, and more importantly, dedicating a trip in the future for this location. That's it for this video, and be sure to subscribe to one of the videos that pop up soon on the screen. This here is the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.